Hello again, friends. Here we have a device. I don't know anything about this one. It's supposed to send commands to a fishing boat. That little boat, it's used to feed fishes, and it's looking like one of the commands is not working anymore. Left, right, or something. I think it's this one. You see, I don't have the boat here, so I can't do tests, but I'll use this guy, Go MF, and we can see the radio working or not. But for now, let's open it up, put some light. It's kind of rusty, dirty, abused. You know, fishermen's. Never believe them. So I suppose this one doesn't open in case, but just keeping these guys over here. That's okay. We have some batteries. It should be better to have a lithium ion somehow adapted to this remote control. That's a Microzone something. Oh, what is this? Headphones out? I think so. A lot of corrosion, and somehow this is normal because, you know, it's in the water area. So yes. What else? I'm really scared about all these toys, you know, because they are so, how can I say, almost amateur. If you open it up, you don't have any guarantees that it will work again or something. But this one, it's ruined anyway. And oh, we have a lot of corrosion. It's easy to be open. I don't see any problem with this guy. The potentiometers are in place. Doesn't look like they are pretty covered. You see, I believe they are pretty solid here. Really nice covered. I don't see any problem. But as long as I'm here, I'll do a cleaning anyway. So this was the most important one, having the directional left to right. I can't open that. Do I need another screw head? Oh no, it's not moving. Oh, I know what's happening here. We have a kind of lock inside. There we go. Where is the other guy? Oh. Well, I don't need to take this out. I can inject some. Okay, we have some openings here. Well, these guys are pretty covered with a kind of varnish. Okay, you should go back. You know what's nice? This lever. It's not going directly to the potentiometer, so it have all this mechanical stuff. So I thought it's getting straight somehow, but no. That's a good thing, I have to admit. Fine. Let's have some screws here. We have corrosion here, I can see that, and here and here. We'll clean that in a second. Okay, Let me pump some contact spray. This one will diffuse. What is this? A power port. Oh man, this is so rusty. But it's never been in use. So let's try to clean that. I don't see a problem here. I have a quartz, a crystal, and that's the antenna up top, you see? PCB antenna. Okay, it is what it is. Let's put things together. Okay. I'm not dismantling this one. It's no need. So all I'm gonna do is to clean it a little bit. These are micro contacts, micro switches. I'm not touching that because they are already capsulated or something. I believe that's it. So nothing else to do. Okay, so let's check the batteries. The way I'm doing it is very simple. Put your multimeter on amp meter, current meter. We're going to 10 amps and briefly touch the probes. Doesn't really matter, plus minus doesn't matter. We are just counting the current and briefly 1.9, 2, 2, and 2. You see, I don't have any good batteries around, but I have a bad one. Let's see this one, 0.6, and this is a rechargeable, and I suppose it's fully charged. And so that means the batteries are still okay. It shouldn't be a problem. And nothing. Of course, one of the life science. Channel 5. I don't know and how to check this. Let's see. So it's saying it's sending on 2.4 gigahertz. That's kind of messy because my routers in the attic are sending on 2.4 gigahertz, but let's see. So we have a spike to 453 minus 76 dB minus 60. This is my router for sure. Let's power on. Whoa, minus 33. Okay, that's very clear. It's sending, but it's sending all the time. Okay, if I'm pushing this, yeah, that's very clear. Something is changing. Oh, this is obvious. That should be the throttle. But okay. Yes, we have a change. We have a change. I think it's working. I don't know if this one should be on all the time. So it's looking like we have a kind of radio transmission all the time. 2458. 2463. Okay, so it's a change of frequency, of course. 2468. It's looking like a lot of harmonics or something. Interesting. Of course, I'm getting close to the antenna. Yeah. I think it's working. Well, I can say for sure until I'm going to effectively use it with the boat. But for now, there's nothing else I can do. But clean it, make it looking nice. And yeah, that's it for today. Like usually, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Push the like button. Thank you very much. Write the comments. Thanks to my sponsor Radu, Czech and Vlad from Amphia Records. And until the next one, don't forget, have fun and enjoy the summer. We still have like 3 weeks of summer. August, okay. See you soon. Bye.